Welcome! In this video, we will walk through the essential steps to create your very first project in NVivo, setting the foundation for your research. NVivo is a powerful tool designed to help researchers organize, analyze, and gain insights from qualitative data. Whether you are dealing with interviews, documents, or media, NVivo provides a structured environment to manage your research lifecycle. We are getting started in 30 seconds. 29. 28. 27. 26. 24. 25. 23. 22. 20. 19. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12 seconds remaining. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Staying organized is crucial. Proper file management prevents data loss and makes finding your research assets much easier. Let's begin by creating your project workspace. Open the NVivo application from your desktop or Applications folder. When prompted, give your project a unique and meaningful name. Select a safe location on your computer where your research data will be stored. Now that the project is created, let's explore the workspace. The navigation pane on the left is your control center for accessing all components of your research project. Your main workspace will display the content of the items you select, such as documents, transcripts, or visualization results. It's time to bring your research material into the project. You can import a variety of file types, including Word documents, PDFs, and multimedia recordings directly into your project. Keep your project clean by creating folders to categorize your source materials. Let's ensure your project settings are configured correctly for your specific research needs. Review your project properties, such as the language settings, to ensure accuracy during automated coding. Always remember to save frequently and maintain external backups of your NVivo project. You have now successfully set up the structure for your NVivo research project. In this guide, we covered initializing your workspace, exploring the navigation pane, and importing your primary research assets. Now that your project is set up, you are ready to begin the exciting work of coding and analyzing your data.